Hello friends, welcome to Tech and Tahir. Today we are going to unbox cute little TWS buds. So yes, as you see, this is our Realme buds Q2s. So this is as you see in the picture, they are really cute ones. So if you take it out and see it in your hand, you'll be able to feel that cuteness in that, because it comes with a space capsule box. So they are calling it as a space capsule. If you take it in your hand, you will be able to see that it feels like and looks like a space capsule you see in sci-fi movies. This is our space capsule. Yes, this is our TWS buds. So, and this is our spare earbuds, and we have a charging cable too and some user manual. You can read it fully if you want to have a detailed instructions for how to use the buds and other related configuration stuffs. Yes, it has some configuration stuffs like how you can configure your touch controls and how you can connect your device with Realme Link. Yes, they have an app called Realme Link. In that app, if you pair that TWS device in that, you will be able to control the touches of the this device, like this double tap, triple tap, long press, simultaneously long pressing for 2 seconds. Those things you can control. If you press 2 seconds, it will enter game mode that has minimal latency like 40 ms. You can scan this QR code to download the app from the App Store. So that's all about the instructions. Let's see what's inside the box and how it looks. So this is our charging cable. So it is a cute little yellow color charging cable with a C-type connectivity. Let's put this inside and keep it aside. This is our space capsule. If you take it out, yes, as I said, see the design. I like this very much. If you keep it in your hand, you will feel so nice, like it is so cute, and it will look like a space capsule. And this is our buds. So buds design is so nice, and you have a marking for left right there, and this is the touch control on top of it, like that blue color crystal is the touch control. And also once you open and close, you'll be able to connect, like when you open it, it will get connected. This is our C-type charging port. It has a quick connect functionality, so once you open your box, it will automatically get connected to your paired device. One more advantage is like you can use single or both the earbuds, because it has mono function also. So you can just use a single earbuds for calls. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And finally, the price of this device is 2000 rupees. I bought this from Chroma, and I really liked it very much. But the sad part is I lost these earbuds when I traveled to north. So okay, it happens, but I really like this device. So just let me know your comments about this if you have one. I feel this is worth for like 2000 rupees. Just let me know if this TWS is worth for 2000 rupees or not. From my personal opinion, it is okay for 1500 to 1800, but 2000 rupees is a bit overpriced. If you see any if you find any sale or something, maybe you will get it around 1500. Okay friends, see, this is the final we reached our final part. So we'll meet again in another unboxing or review video. Once again, thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.